So right now we're currently at GI.
What are you titling this one?
I'm titling this one Snoring. True neck.
We got ourselves special coal hoodies, and no one has these. We're gonna try them on right now. Ding!
I freaking love it.
Ooh. Ooh. Dude, it's nice. The quality is really nice.
Alright, this is Harambe's.
Sheesh.
Yours.
Oh.
This is Matt.
Yours.
Matt.
Big.
Flores.
Yours is big.
Here's a 6 feet. Let's see it. How do you like it?
It's so nice.
Oh, wait, that's a perfect size.
Wow.
Vlogging?
My sister.
Oh, your sister's vlog? What's up? Bacon. Follow me on Instagram, John_Bacon. Dang, I look good.
Oh.
Whoa! You like send me this or something? Oh, our shop is closed. But if you follow our Instagram,
I need more of this. Like, you guys need to like put it in the group chat and be like, hey, we're restocking.
I'm gonna send you our Instagram. We do winter and summer.
Okay, like just also put it in the group chat too.
Okay.
Like, hey, we're restocking.
Hey everyone. This is my mom. And every night
What is going on?
we try to read the word together from a book. Anyways, we try to read the word together, or my mom tries to make us. And so we're gonna read the word right now. And then we're gonna go to bed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your turn, David.
하나님. 주여.
I read yesterday.
Okay.
Wait, are we?
We got some fresh scones. Wait, do the insert shot.
Wait, I already the what shot?
Insert shot.
What does that mean?
Like you close up on the.
And then?
Wait, I didn't. Oh, like that shot. I don't know. I was like, what is the
Insert shot. Okay, here's my love team friends. Hey. Andy wearing the Ellie sweater. Good? Really? Did you try it? Oh, it's good. Oh, it's mine.
Alright, scene 1 alpha, take 2. Action!
Oh, sheesh! Oh! Hey, yo! Bro! Oh! You look kinda good right now. Camera doesn't cut?
Scene 1 alpha, take 3, action.
Like, what? Oh my god! You look so good. Look. Where'd you get that? It was called Ellie Day or something. Oh, I thought it was Ellie too. Oh, I don't know. Instagram Ellie too? Okay, got it. Ellie.
Ellie, dude, right there. Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Dude,
So
good quality.
soft.
course.
I know, when you have this on, you look good.
Oh, okay. I like that. I like that.
See, the quality is so nice. What size? What size?
I think it's better than this.
Howdy. Wait, is it large? Essentials? Yeah.
It's kind of big.
I caught that on camera. Better than essential.
앉아. 앉아. 아니 앉아. 앉아. 근데 편해. 이렇게. 먹어. 근데 진짜. Like, 진짜. 땀날 때 뭐 하죠? 뭐지? 노래.
Microphone!
노래 나온 거. 뭘 마셔?
Straw! Water bottle! Cup!
어제 다음. 피곤.
Sleep! Pillow!
Someone said it.
Oh yeah, let's go. 나 여기 안에 있어. 안에. 얼굴 안에. 근데 많이 있어. 너무 추워. 따뜻한 거. 너무 추워.
Sweater!
크리스마스. 너무 싸. 그게 뭐야? 싸 이건 아니.
T-shirt!
옷이 싸면 뭐야?
Go, yeah.
Don't bubble.
발가락 반대. 십자가 No. 맨 위에 있는 사람. 머슬. 근육. 그게. Dude.
Grace's camera.
I got this.
We are currently doing our shoot.
What are we doing?
Our best. We're doing our best.
This is Brian.
Hi.
And Foreign oh my, who drew? Was that you?
That's what I was doing.
Oh, this is Alex teacher and Ronnie. They are doing running. They are running. Yes. There's the people that are on standby. Behind that wall, that's where people are shooting right now.
Hey, you got games on your phone?
She's all about
We
Do you have games on your phone?
It's like drink coffee.
Yes, this is for grass. Oh, hi. You guys look so beautiful. Bacon's gonna go ask someone.
Hey man, something's wrong with my phone. Missing your number.
Kneel down.
Kneel down.
Whoa. Nanetti, where are you?
Alright, we're getting married.
Oh no. So I'm doing She's peeing last minute, but she got it because she's tough. No.
Where are we going? Gas station.
Because we can't go to Starbucks.
Yeah. You're so helpful. You film really well. I'm like, you film really well.
We look like Scooby-Doo.
Me too. I'm Velma. Wait, who are green?
Shaggy?
Oh, Shaggy.
Let me know in the comments down below if you would ever live in LA.
Never. Man.
They're closed. What is even going on? No.
I'm sorry?
Oh. I could bring my camera?
What is your documentary for?
Huh?
What is your documentary for?
Oh, it's a vlog?
Okay, listen. If you guys want to go into a store, go to 7-Eleven store. It's half a block from here. This Shell's gas station is closed on Saturdays and Sundays. It's only gas. If you guys want merchandise, I get it for you.
Oh.
Awesome, thank you.
Guys, I thought I was getting my camera taken away.
Ronnie, Jazz bought you these.
Oh my god.
Grace, look what I got you. Grace, look what I got you. It's Grace's favorite chips.
Ew, don't put your lips on my.
Sorry, I didn't. Where's the mic on this thing?
It's right here. This whole circle thing right
Look what I got, Grace.
here. Ew, you're. Oh. Did you really? I'm so hungry right now.
No, I'm just kidding. Jazz bought it, but I picked it because I know your favorite. She beat me to the register.
There's Grace.
So we're actually gonna waste one of these. We're wasting it.
Hey guys, we are at Kirakata.
Why are you making that face in front of my vlog?
Me?
Hey, so we took a thumbnail photo. Yeah, with Jazz and someone else. Both of you.
We are at Kitakata right now. Oh, you did? Okay, and we're gonna. What are you ordering?
I'm getting the green onion.
Green chili.
Yeah. It's still green onion. Green chili shio ramen.
Green onion.
What do you mean?
I have ramen. I love ramen.
It's Miss MC Cutie Liz. Oh my god.
I literally saw Hannah. I saw Nicole and Tim.
Dude, I didn't. Hi. Dude, got new or something. Dude, it's so good to see you guys.
Am I gonna make the cut?
Yeah, you're gonna make the cut.
Wait, this is such a good vibe video.
Good vibe.